Hi guys and welcome to another video. ये जो 7 series है, we are here to get this deep cleaned. This is the place where we get this done. So if you see on the car, there are spots. These are water and dust marks, and we need to get all this clean. So there are minor scratches on the car. There are these spots which needs to be cleaned. I will show you how it looks post they have done the job. Let's. Been detailed pretty nicely. If you see, the car is very clean now, and everything that you see around, it's super clean. Let me show you at the back. I mean, the seats, the mats. Let me see if I can turn on the lights. Here we go. So the mats, the door panels, the seats, center console, steering wheel looks amazing right now, and everything is very clean. So they've done a pretty good job, and let me know if you like it. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Most of the viewers do not subscribe to our channel, and if you do so, it will help us a lot. Thank you for watching.